Right, guys, so we're back with another video today, and yeah, what have I done? Right, see you when this is done. Right, guys, I'm back, and yeah, let's play some Watch Dogs. We are nearly done the first trial, so yeah, let's go right into it. I've not played Forza today. I'm trying to upload videos for the days I didn't, because, well, I don't have a phone. I just ordered the iPhone SE, so I should be getting that. I hope it's good at screen recording. I know it does screen record, but I don't know if it's going to be the newest model of it. Well, newest update. So I'm probably not going to make videos on that and just make videos on Xbox and computer. Well, on computer, because Xbox is on computer. But yeah, let's get right into it. Well, I already said that, but like, yeah, I just turned stage and cross the road when I can easily pause it. But yeah, so we're nearly done for like the mission to get started. So let me just put my sound down a bit. Actually, just put it off because there's bad words. Oh yeah, so we are. Wait a second, didn't I already do this? That's annoying. I remember doing this. Right. Right, so what do I have to do? Oh yeah, now, wait, what? Shouldn't it be like... Oh, jeez, what's happened here? Oh yeah, here we go. Now we need to do this. Oh, jeez. Right, here we go. Oh, here, yes. Alright, I've already done that, but I don't really care. Yeah, guys. This is probably only be 5 minutes, because I've already made a video today, and the Wi-Fi still. It's getting better. I think it's back to what it was, but our Wi-Fi was already bad. Like, Jesus. Oh, I've already let me just go through all of it. Right, guys, we're basically done this thing, and, yeah. Well, not the game, just getting into the game. And yeah, guys, so here we go. This is dead set, so they're about to bag me, so we're just like, get me thingied. Right, all this bit. Right, so I need to go like... Oh, right now. There we go. Right now I need to go all the way down. I don't know what to do anything right now, so I just need to go down the stairs. Yes, and oh, this is... I love this. Oh, this bit, don't watch this bit if... it's funny though, don't watch this bit if you're like... don't, like, not like, it's like, funny though. Anyway, I just laughed through my nose and it's blocked. Now I'm gonna get bagged and they're gonna take me dead set. Honey, yes! well, there's a whole night of stuff, but like, yeah, this, yeah, jeez. It's just about a ton of hacking, like how there was a big thing made, Big Brother, whatever, and then it was put into a ton of little brothers, and it's a whole conference thing, so I guess I could just play anyway. It's a bit glitchy, but it's supposed to look a bit glitchy, is what, like, just because. So this is literally, it's the hackers could like be like hack you and do stuff with your. Right, here we go. It's a bit glitchy, but yeah. It's boring. See you when it's done. Alright, guys. So this is the dead check thing. Please ask him if he's in dead check. Can I not skip this? Nope. I literally pressed every single button on it. Can't skip it. Okay. Okay. Right, so it's just introducing everyone. And, yeah. Oh, and it's glitching as well. Right, guys, that was really glitch. This is like, just, having a night. Yeah. Alright. You can read the subtitles if you want, but can't put up what's wrong and stuff. Ah, two kids. Here. Okay. Can't hear that. Okay, yeah. Don't know what you call this first bit, like, don't know. I wish I could just skip this, I've seen it already. Right, so they're just saying they get a back door, I don't know. Here's me drunk. There's my phone. Give me my phone back. Right. Okay. Okay, that's just kind of. I think he might be involved further on in the game. But, yeah. Okay, that's me throwing my phone in the water. Right, guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.